wanted to just give you a couple of ideas of what we could do to make, you know, a healthy breakfast. So I'm going to show you what I've come up with. So I'm actually doing, I'm sauteing some mushrooms here. And with the mushrooms, I'm going to add some spinach. You know, spinach is great for vitamin A and K. All right, so we're going to make that all. Let that saute. Yep, let that saute for a little bit. Also, I brought some tomatoes. They're dog tomatoes. They're really, really good. They're actually really popular. I'm going to stick them on my grill pan right now. I don't know if you can hear the sizzle.
Yes, we can.
Right. You can hear the sizzle? Great.
Sizzle,
okay.
Yep.
All right, so we're going to put them on our grill pan, let them cook for a few minutes. Add a little bit of salt and pepper to our spinach and mushrooms. And while that cooks, I'm going to attempt to do a poached egg live. Okay, if it breaks, it breaks, but I'm going to try. Have a pan full of boiling water. It's like probably like one of the best ways. You don't have to add any oils or anything. Okay, and I'm going to put the egg actually in the pan and let it cook in the water. I'm going to cover it because I like my egg like fully white when it's complete. All right, so I'm going to leave that for a few minutes. Keep that going. And then while that bit's cooking, I'm going to make a quick avocado with a little bit of lemon. I'm going to stick this in here. Put a little bit of lemon in there. Some salt and pepper. Some salt and pepper in there. And I'm going to mash it up. You can add a little bit of cilantro if you want. Okay, and just mash it. So you have like just a mashed avocado. That gets nice and mashed. We're going to put that on our toast. All right.
I love avocado toast.
Yeah, I do too.
At any time of the day.
Yep. Absolutely. Okay, so now we're going to wait for the egg to poach. Okay, so we'll wait for our egg to poach. In the meantime, I'm going to show you the breakfast that we created. I have on a whole grain toast. This is with flaxseed, this whole grain. It's with all the good stuff. I did one with spinach and mushrooms on a toasty, and then I did the egg and the avocado. So you can see on the plate.
The tomatoes on the side.
Yeah, with the tomatoes on the side, and they're grilled. On the side, I made some chopped up strawberries with just fresh mint. And it's so, the flavors together are actually really, really good. So definitely.
Ooh, I want some of that.
Yeah, don't they look great? All right, so the water of the week. This week I did pineapple and mint. So we have pineapple and mint water, nice and refreshing. All right, now I'm going to go back to the egg quickly and show you and see if the egg's cooked. Yes, it is.
Ooh, beautiful.
Damn, I made a good egg. All right, so we have our egg. Should I just get the plate so I don't drop the egg on the floor? That would be fun. Okay, so there's your egg. Just a little bit of salt and pepper.
And you're good to go.
And we are good to go. So there's your egg with your avocado mash. We will be looking into international cooking. We're going to go above and abroad. If you have any suggestions, shoot us some suggestions. Like if there's maybe from a country that you would like to see, and maybe we can adapt it. We'd love to hear from you.